Zhangzhou Sin Honesty International Trade Company Limited is a professional export cooperation that specialized in all kinds of animal husbandry machinery. Since 2010, we always keep our main focus on providing quality products and one-stop service to customers. Creating and supplying successful innovations and ultimate goal of the company throughout the years. After then, it has changed and diversified into several products, such as steel pipe fitting parts, plastic products which also ensure quality produced products. Until now, our customers are located all over the world, including China, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Korea, India, USA, and many countries in Europe, as well as Africa and South America.
Hello, we can provide farming equipment, steel pipes, which meet your requirements. Thank you.